In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change install location on Riot games. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to manage the install location when you are installing or if you already have one of their games downloaded. So, this will work for League of Legends, Valorant, or any other title from Riot Games. When you download any title made by them, you will have the installer, and when you open the installer, this is where you are able to change the install location. So if you have yet to install the game, all that you have to do is click on advanced options under the install button. So when you click advanced options, you will see the install path and you can change it from here. Now you can go over to this PC and choose any of the drives that you have available. So you can make a specific folder where you will be placing the game, and then once you choose the specific location where you want to install it, you will be able to click OK and get this done. So you click install and you proceed. And like I said, this will work with any Riot Games title. Now, if you already have the game installed, what you can try to do is go over to the settings. So in the Riot client, not the game itself, go into the client, access this settings, and you can see if you are able to change the install path from here. If it is blocked like this where you aren't able to click it, then sadly you will have to uninstall the game and get it all the way installed. You can try moving the Riot client and the game itself, so League of Legends or Valorant, so you copy and paste all of the contents of this folder into the other location. But I assume most people will simply want to know how to change the install location when you first acquire the game and not if it is already installed. And to do that, like I said, you just have to go into the advanced options. I hope I was able to help you on how to change install location Riot Games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.